Hi, this is Richard here from the intergasshop.co.uk. This is a quick video just giving you an overview of the Intergas Rapid range of boilers. So the Intergas Rapid is the budget end of the Intergas range, but budget not meaning that it's a cheap boiler, as it shares all the same components as the Eco RF and the HRE range. So the Intergas Rapid is a really nice boiler to work on. Everything is quite accessible in here, so you have the pump, gas valve, ignition module, ignition lead, which goes up to the top. You've got the fan assembly. Everything is very easy to remove. On the Rapid range, you've got a combined PRV and condensate discharge, which is handy for places where you struggle to get a PRV out. It's got the pressure gauge and everything is here, so everything is really easy to work on. One of the benefits of the Rapid range is it comes with the expansion vessel built in to the casing, which is at the front. So the Schrader valve is here, so it's quite easy to check and recharge every year. When it comes to servicing, all you simply have to do is remove the bolts at the front of the casing, remove the nut top and bottom of the gas valve, remove the gas valve, and basically this whole assembly is removed for very easy servicing on this boiler. It's got a pressure gauge on the Intergas Rapid, which is here, and the controls are quite simple to use. On the front, the Rapid is an open therm boiler, so it can be installed with the entire range of open therm controls. So there you are. This is the Intergas Rapid range of boilers. If you have any questions, please contact us at sales@theintergasshop.co.uk. Thank you for watching.